I hear the bird, I feel the sun, I smell the coffee, my day begins well. Look, I taste the whipped cream, I look outside, I read the newspaper and write some roots. And I search, and I find, and I change my mind, child. I send a message, I receive an email. My life grows without any failing. I type on my laptop, I draw a plan, I paint the wall with colorful existence. I build a shelf, I repair a chair. This is my house, my own purpose. And I search, and I find, and I change my mind, child. I send a message, I receive an email. My life grows without any failing. I wash the clothes, I dry them in the wind. I iron my shirt for the party that begins. I clean the window, I tidy up my desk. I wash the dishes until the last drop. Sometimes I fall, but I always get up. I travel to work, my train be parked sometime. It doesn't land, no it doesn't take off. It's just I park my bike, I stop. I turn the key, I cross the street, I follow the road under the clover. I lose a pen, I win again. This is my rhythm, this feels so intense.